first step, you'll need a polystyrene ring and 12 wooden skewers. Mark out the spaces evenly. Go outside or to a well-ventilated area to spray paint. I did 3 light coats. Once dry, we're going to tie on some old baubles, either with string, or if you're like me and you have the twist tie ones, makes it a lot easier. Once I had the initial ring on, I separated what I had left into sections to make sure that there was even coverage. To cover up the ties and fill in any gaps, I then got some gold thread and wrapped it around the entire ring. Fix up any baubles that may have got pushed to the side while wrapping, and just fiddle with it until you are happy with the final look. Tie an old decoration hook to the excess thread for hanging. And here she is, looking glamorous and festive on my door. Remember, you are an amazing, unique human and you are so special. Thanks for watching. Bye!